So what I have here, I have a quart of paint that desperately needs mixing. It's very thick equipment paint. That's difficult to mix by hand. It's been sitting for a long time. Have my coffee mug for motivation. So what I did was I took a piece of all thread, put it in my DeWalt drill. No, I'm not sponsored by DeWalt. I wish it was. And on the end of the all thread, I took two wing nuts from my Harbor Freight assortment of wing nuts, which are junk, by the way. I think I broke 3 or 4 just to get these two on there. So I would not recommend that. But with the 2 wing nuts tightened together into my all thread, take my drill, put the drill up in high range. We're going to see if it works as a paint mixer. Okay, so I made a little modification here. I added 2 sets of wing nuts, and this seems to work a little better. Now I don't have to bring it up out of the can as far, and it gets better agitation, as you can see. I feel like that's more effective. So, just a little quick tech tip for you. That's all for now. Talk to you later. Bye.